How would you like to learn about the world's largest aerospace manufacturer and innovator in aviation? Let me tell you all about how Boeing started and how they have changed the entirety of the aerospace world. So, Boeing was founded on July 15th, 1916, in Seattle, Washington. It began as a small business project by a man by the name of William Boeing and a U.S. naval officer named Conrad Westervelt. The first plane was a two-seater single-engine seaplane called the B&W after their last names. Another name for it was the Boeing Model 1, and it was primarily made of wood and fabric. It had a very unique design for its time, with the engine located behind the pilot and the passenger. Its first flight was on Seattle Lake Union on June 15th, 1916, and although this flight was short, it was the beginning of Boeing's future as a leader in the aerospace manufacturing world. Now let's fast forward to the introduction of the Boeing 707, which was introduced in 1958. This aircraft had a smooth design and powerful jet engines, and it was a big step up for long-distance air travel with its speed and range. And the pressurized cabin also offered comfort for passengers flying at high altitudes, and its large interior and many amenities increased the experience of flying. The 707's success paved the way for air travel, becoming popular around the globe, and it has a lasting impact on commercial aviation. And it has also led to many airlines to strive for the things that the 707 did well, such as passenger convenience, safety, and efficiency. Boeing is continuing to shape and change the aviation industry with new innovations and technology. Space exploration is a main part of Boeing's mission to innovate. And here's a quote. NASA's Space Launch System, or SLS, is a super heavy lift launch vehicle that provides the foundation for human exploration beyond Earth's orbit. With its unprecedented power and capabilities, SLS is the only rocket that can send iron astronauts and cargo directly to the moon on a single mission. That's from Mohan 2021. They are also developing a new aircraft that will be much more fuel efficient. And this is another quote. The new X-plane seeks to inform a potential new generation of more sustainable single-aisle aircraft. The X-66A, which is the name of this new plane, is the first X-plane specifically focused on helping the United States achieve the goal of net zero aviation greenhouse gas emissions, which was articulated in the White House's U.S. Aviation Climate Action Plan, and that is from O'Shea 2023 and Margetta 2023. Boeing will be working with NASA to build, test, and fly this new aircraft. Overall, Boeing has changed the entirety of the aerospace world. The first plane changed the way seaplanes worked and how airplanes in the future would be built. The 707 was a huge innovation for the world of international jet travel and helped to popularize commercial aviation around the globe. The space exploration sector and the X-66A will revolutionize the ways that we are saving the planet as a species. Aviation is changing for the better, and it's all thanks to William Boeing for starting Boeing and the engineers at modern Boeing for shaping the way that we see aviation today.